Hey everyone, Kyle here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to watch Hulu outside the US. So let's get started. So now here we are in hulu.com, and then from here, if you would want to watch content in the US, if you are based outside the US, then you can definitely do that with the right VPN service. For example, I recommend NordVPN. So with NordVPN, you'd be able to access geo-restricted content on any streaming platforms like Hulu. So all you have to do is get NordVPN just like this one in the app, and from here connect to the United States server, since you would want to access the United States library content while you are outside the US. And as you can see, I'm now connected, so all that's left is to refresh your Hulu app or your Hulu website wherever you are currently watching. So NordVPN also has a lot of devices available for you to use. So you can go with Windows, macOS, Linux, Android, iOS, and so on. So you can basically use it on anything. And then the only downside that I can see in here is that NordVPN doesn't have a free plan, which means you would have to pay for using this service right here. But you don't have to worry about the quality, because NordVPN would definitely provide you the quality you need, and you would be able to watch the geo-restricted content that you weren't able to watch with other VPN services. So instead of going for the free ones, I just go for the quality here with NordVPN. And yeah, that is basically it on how you can watch Hulu outside the US. Thank you for watching.